how to contact booking.com customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have any problems, I'll show you how to contact the customer support on booking.com. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser, head over to booking.com. Now scroll to the very bottom, and there you'll see under support, contact customer service. Tap on it, and now you can see various frequently asked questions. So you can go through the categories, like if you're booking for a stay, you can see frequently asked questions for cancellations, payment, booking details, communications, and more. Similarly, you can go to flights, you can go to car rentals, and there are various FAQs. You just need to tap on it, and here you will see all of the FAQs and you can go through them. But if this doesn't help you out, then you can go to I need help with something else, and then uh, you can see other various FAQs that you can go through. Or if you need help with booking, then you can just tap on get help with booking, and then you can select a category, and then you can write a message here and then send it to the customer service. So they will get back to you within few hours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.